Hello, IK here. Welcome to topic in this video. Multer Midleware between backend and cloud or disk storage. Multer is a middleware. When we need middleware, we need middleware in Redux. For what? Redux don't understand asynchronous process. But Redux, like a manager of state, have to know what happened in that process, asynchronous process. And because of that, there is a middleware. Middleware is a tank, exposition of public relation of middleware, Redux middleware, React Redux middleware is a function tank. It means JavaScript program is a single thread. It means that some 44 bits, 44 bits, one and one behind the other, go through memory, go through a processor, and it is single thread. And now we need take something. We need our program single thread must go to database, take something from database. And what it means, okay, go single thread, but now turn from single to go to database, take does what need, and go back in single thread. And it is cannot go like it. It would be, but JavaScript can go only single thread. But JavaScript, if need something from outside, from database or other server, or need, for example, upload file, save file on some disk or upload in cloud. For that, there is a middleware. For that process, there is a middleware, or native JavaScript can go in asynchronous process. But when we have like Redux, global manager, who don't understand the asynchronous process, he must have a middleware. Also, our backend, when must upload, save as file to some disk or upload it in cloud, it is something that process need middleware. It is software what created all that. It means created that saving, that uploading, because we have software, our JavaScript single thread. It is also expressed on Node.js, our backend. It is a JavaScript single thread, and must make a job to save, to upload, to save on disk, hardware, some updated file. In our situation, it is image 1 and image 2 uploaded. And that difference between single-thread JavaScript and saving something on the hardware, that connection, software and hardware, interaction, software and hardware, is possible here thanks to Multer. Multer is a software, it's a package, it's a module, what we must install and use. And now, when we have upload files, we have this. We upload files in post request and update. Post and update is same. We need upload new images instead of old, or we must upload first time new images. And post and update, there is this part more than other request response. When request response, HTTP request, there is we need upload, we have this, and all upload happened here in this code. In other without upload, for example, anyone, we always have a request, get, post. We can find post request. This get, okay, can go up and see departments get. Always is request. There is here get request. There is a part of address. It is communication with backend. It's important part. It is one argument. And second is arrow function. In that arrow function, we have always a parameter is request response. Request response. And here it is. Post, here department, post department. Again, we have two parameters. First parameter of post request is part of address, information for communicate with front end. And second parameter is arrow function with parameter request response. Finished. Put, first parameter of put request is connection with front end address. And second parameter is arrow function with request response. And all other is like it, but when we have upload file in our request upload file or upload update, in update we need also upload new file instead of old one, and that process is the same when update form ready to update, and we put some file images, and post form add a new post form with the ready file to post. It is the same process. We look at now. Here is post. Between this address communication with front end and between this we have one more argument. It is upload fields. Look at comma. Comma, it is first parameter of request post. And the second parameter is this, upload fields. And that second parameter create all what we need for upload files, for save file in some remote disk, or save file, upload file in cloud. Amazon's, Google's disk, etc. This is this part. This part. After that, we have, it is only control, some control that not empty this data. It is array. And here is a request response. Request response, it is here, we have here here upload files, but also we have this some control. I can delete it, but never mind. Artificial coding it in the OK. And here is a request response arrow function. Request response. It is post. Also update here also. There is a address part and upload files like second argument and request response. This upload files, there is a upload object, and that upload object we must look at what happened with the fields. Upload files here is array with the name image1. It is a name in table, in database, image _1, image _2. Maximum count, only one file expected, because we can upload multiple in, but here is only one file, and it coming, that image1 and image2, it coming with the request from put request, hypertext put request. And upload files here take that array name image1, image2. It is name what coming from our front end. When we choose in dialog open from our disk, we choose file, put in upload input file, and that would be in that front end, it is image1 and image2. It is name what coming from what is in a request. There is only one object, request, and all data is in request. Hypertext transfer protocol, there is a two object, request response, and the name is in request. Multer Midleware is object what we must install. There is a possibility take name of fields from request, and that fields and also object upload, there is a properties fields. It means that upload is coming from a Multer, and upload object coming from a Multer, and the fields is properties of that upload, and that fields coming with request. And now our object upload, there is a name, image1 and image2. But our Multer, our upload, must create a name add something to a name, what is a guarantee that never same name would be overwrite one another. It means if in the same time we have two uploads from many places in the world, we have uploads of same name, maybe, and in same time, every of that name, Multer, would add some number. It was it was number. Total number is number of seconds from 1970. How many seconds there is until now and always. And if I if I saved if I upload some file this moment, it will have this name, original name, what's coming in that variable image1, image2, it is input, and the image1 can be name what I take from my hard disk, and that name will have one number of seconds in that moment, and that number never been same. But it's not enough until that number give one random number. All that we will see, and that two number of seconds and random number before of that name, what coming, what take here, it guarantee that never can happen same name, collision of same name. All that happened here in this behind of here. It means that here we have upload file fields, and the parameter of that fields is a name of that image. It is image1, image2, it is variable. Name would be concretely name, what we uploaded. And now we can go to see what that upload means and how it is connected with the Multer. But before we go, I must say here something else. This is before request response, because this code, Multer, take fields from request, object request. And that fields coming in this object of Multer, upload. Uploaded, there is that fields here, and we have, it is array name we send to file. Image1, image2 would be name. And change that name with that number, what I said. And the new name created upload, Multer. And that new name must go in database. Because of that, here is upload fields is before our normal, usual, common request response. And that request here, it is original request of application put, request put, plus new name of file. Multer, new name, created new name and put that name here in this request. And this request, because of that, must be second. First must be this. And giving new name, Multer gives the location location where to save. And in this code here, in this parameter, happen that process Multer take fields from request, create new names, save. There is a destination where to save physically to that updated, where to update, where upload our files, and uploaded it. New names, uploaded it. That names go on the disk, would be visible in the disk, and also that names would be visible in our database. Names is a string and go in a database. Name, that new name, Multer created name, go in this request and go ahead with the new request. Now down we have all that what we have before. It means update query and through query all go, and if all is okay, we have a response status 200, all is okay, it is update, article update successfully. Here is interesting, it is nothing unusual, but some new is here. New syntax is declaration of image 1 variable and image 2, because image 1 and image 2 now it is a name, a Multer name, our name plus Multer creation of name. And how declaration is equal what? What is assigning right side? Request. You see, request, it is request with from our front end plus Multer change name of image. And it means this question mark is news. It means request our object from front end received and in HTTP plus Multer adding names, number to our original names. Request files, okay, request files, it means our object request, what coming in hypertext transfer protocol, there is a properties files. There is property. A question mark means if it is not empty. If it is empty, we will have a null. Null is better than some error what broken our programs. Okay, request dot files, properties files. If it is not empty, there is, we look at properties image 1. Properties image 1, if not empty, we look at array with a 0, like here, means one file, not two more, but one file. And if one file exists, means it is not empty, go to file name of that file. And if all exist before file name, we have file name. We have file name. Or if anything is empty in that chain, we have null. Image would be null. And programs work with null also without problems, but image would be invisible, would be null. That question mark is chain connection, chaining, request files not empty, if not empty, image one if not empty. In that files there is image one. That files is properties of request, and properties files there is image one, image two, how many, and it is also for image two. Okay, and now that image one would be okay, we can go to database and look at it. You will see it would be our original name plus some too long number. Okay, update query. You see here is a query. In query is image one, image two. Go in database. Update set name. Difference between update and post. And post is instead set would be insert. Insert. In post request we have insert. In update request, in put request, we have set. Okay, it is about query. And that query go into two parts. One part is question mark. It is like forms, empty fields. And now in second go value of instead in place of that question mark. It is value. That it is for security from injection, malicious injection in our address in browser. Okay, it is. I spoke here is it was put. Post is the same. Post is the same. Upload files takes image one, image two, because Multer have object upload. Multer take fields from request. And now when Multer have a name of our, can make modification of that name, and that and of course upload it, finished upload of file. But it is interesting that with that name, put that name two numbers, and new name, original native name, and two numbers, it is together, make a new name, and that a new name put in request. This request now, there is a new name, not name what coming in original request from front end. Now that request is richer for changed names, Multer changed names, and all other go as usual. And now let's see upload. Where it is upload? It is upload. We need upload, object upload for post, for update, and anything else we need. Because of that, upload is something what we declare in top of our Express. At first, we must install. After installing Multer, we must declare Multer object, and it is declared like it. And after a declaration of Multer, we also must declare path like it. It is object of Multer exists now when we have installed Multer. And now we have a configuration of Multer to save images. It is a declaration of storage equal Multer disk storage. Disk storage. Disk storage is a method of object Multer. Look at update. We declare object Multer. Now we declare storage variable object equal Multer dot disk storage. Disk storage is method of object Multer, and that method there is object parameter is there is two parameter, destination and file name. Destination create destination, where to upload, where to save. And file name is the name of, take care about name. Destination here is declaration of dir, and dir is path. You see, we use path from app. It is object path. There is a method join, and dir name, it is basic name for file name for this path. And it is our images go to this path would be saved in on our backend. It would be in server, our backend, but in reality, we upload in cloud, in Amazon platform or Google platform disk, and pay how many load, so many paying, and because and all would be we take care about that files what we don't need in software would not be lay up, etc., etc. All that is possible program here, and it is destination and file name. Look at for file name we have a file object. Multer take file object from request, and that file object would be at first it is image 1, image 2, it is our original file, but after that we have construction of that new name and declare unique suffix equal date now, it is a number of seconds now from 1970 year, and it is first number. After that we have dash, and after that second number mat, it is object in JavaScript method round, mat parameter is mat.round, mat.random. Round is it means one integer, and random is one random number from 0 to 1 billion. This is 1 billion. E, letters E, it is not Euler constant, 2.7, etc., but it is used instead of 10 in programming, and it means 1 multiply 10 on power 9. Power 9, it is 90. 1 and 90 is billion. It is a number 0 to billion. A random number from 0 to billion, and round to integer. And here is that second, and unit suffix, and CB all time you see CB, it is callback. It is callback. It is CB. It is function what Multer, what callback Multer and give new information about. Here is a callback. Here is a callback about path where to upload, and here is a callback about new names. And new names, null means no error. It means that this callback function, there is a two parameter. First is always about error. If there is some error, would be visible, but null means by default we expect a null, must be null that we go ahead. Null error, and there is that path. Public assets images. And here, their name is variable what exists in it is keyword what exists in that path, and means in our situation means public assets images. Okay, so callback means null error, and there in callback, what callback? Callback Multer to said, okay, Multer, you have destination where to upload, where to save, and the file name also callback. Null is no error, and this unique suffix, it is all data number, unique suffix, plus file original name, file original name, and it call back to Multer, and Multer give that new name, give to request, give it to request. You see here what it means declarative programming. We don't have code what can be background. What can be background? All what can be background go background, and we have nothing. We have no boilerplate. Boilerplate now is in background. All we have only code what we must have, and here it is. Multer now have a new name, and here is a destination, and here is a file name. It is object storage, but look at now. Upload, here is a declared upload equal Multer storage, and all that callback, it means that storage callback Multer would be informed with the destination and with the file name, new file name, and give that to request. Because of that, this is here declared outside of any request. first request here, begin here, department's root, but all up is together important for all requests down. And here is upload. Upload is here declared, and that upload we see down in put and in input and in post, in the post. Again, repeating, front end with front end, with upload file, input file, we open a dialog open from our, we can take something from our disk. We open that, for example, image 1 and image 2 files, and that files we send with the form data. We send in multi-part form data. And that coming in backend, hypertext transfer protocol, request, it means request response object, and the Multer take file name, transfer that file name in new file name, give that new file name to request that can go process ahead, and that new name must go in database with other field. But Multer finished job with creating destination. There is destination, there is a file name, uploaded, and it is, and give new name to request, and finished job. But request response arrow function go ahead and save all other data to database, It is in request, it is in put, it is in post request, it is in put request. Let's get see. Here it is uploaded one article. I'm going, also I can see our database. Look at that names here. Here it is first number. It is number, date now, it is number of seconds in moment when I uploaded, when I click in front end in upload, and finished the process with uploaded in the server. And here is a second, first, and here is a second one, and it is a second one, but here it is name, original name of, it was photography from take by mobile, and it is a name what mobile give, and it is image 2, and front end it is article 1. Here it is image 1. It is number of seconds. Here is random. Random number 0 to billion, and here is a name, original name of that image. It is here in database. And here in server, it is 2 images here, and you look at how it is created, that names. You see that first number, second number, and the two number with underscore and the dot JPG. Okay, one name, second name. In the backend, there is something interesting more. This update article, we have this coalescent SQL function, coalesce, if there is a two parameter, question mark if it is empty. If it is empty, would stay image one like before, would be old image in place. But if we created a new image, uploaded, if it is not empty, we load new image, it would be new, would be uploaded that new image. Let's see that here. I update, you see, we have this button, upload, file not choose, and momentary here is old image. If we don't if we don't change that image and update something other, for example, 0, etc., but image not updated. After update, we have changes what we change, but we have same images. But if it is thanks to this one function coalescent. And now when I update and take a new image from here, for example, this one, others stay like before, for example. Here it is, you see name, original name. Original name is two number between them is underscore. And other one, nothing, not change, update. Now you see left, this one left is changed and this one stay. What it means, how many upload we have in server. Let's see in server. In server we have three, two original, and now third image was here. Server. It is coalesced, this function, SQL function, with the two parameters. If there is nothing here, would be image one. If it would be full, it would be that new image one would be that instead of question what happened, new one. Okay, it's all about upload files. Upload files. It is a very, very interesting process where we, with our software, touch and control hardware. We upload file to remote hardware. It means that with our JavaScript application, we can control some hardware. It would not be, for example, smart house or any hardware. It would not be by Multer, but it would be by IT, Internet of Things, and etc., and other protocols. but technology is the same. It is important that the software can go out and save that data in a database, in anything outside, and also can have control on hardware. Can control on hardware. Here is a hardware. We touch hardware in this situation. It is a server in my computer, but I can save, upload file in any remote disk or cloud. And we need the middleware. It is middleware. Middleware is for when JavaScript need some asynchronous process. We can say also asynchronous process. Here is and because JavaScript single thread don't understand asynchronous process, but can use asynchronous process. And in that asynchronous process, it can be simple native asynchronous process of JavaScript, but it can have middleware if there is a lot of job about that asynchronous process. For example, Redux middleware, there is inform Redux about data, flow data in that asynchronous processing. And there is action, pending type action, fulfilled or rejected action. All that is information from Redux. And over Redux, the information about data, and Redux immediately inform user interface, React user interface, and user see what happened with the application. It is important that user see what happened. Okay, waiting period, waiting upload, all that, or some error in that process. So here we have Multer middleware for upload file, upload file in post request and in put request. It is enough for me in here application. I don't include now programming about control that uploaded, deleting that uploaded, and because all that you can ask artificial intelligence, ask about possibility of upload other kind than here, and about control of that upload, the remove and delete images, what is not in use, etc., etc. All that, no problems. But what is for me interesting, and I share with you, or I teach you, what I understand is a phenomenon of middleware, phenomenon, how it is function, how it is that process, explanation of that process with the updated file, and that process when our software, JavaScript, concretely JavaScript backend Express application, it is a web application right in JavaScript and executed on a Node.js server. How that application, that backend, that server can upload on some physical disk, remote or here on my computers. All others, and with that understanding, you can talk, you can prompt anything about prompt to artificial intelligence. My goal in my video is that you that you coming on the level where you can be self-educated thanks to other sources, but also thanks to artificial intelligence. It is something big changes and big challenges for all of us use artificial intelligence. Uh, it is absolutely something what changes our working ecosystem and environment in productivity to the best. Okay, and then I in my video I don't type code. I never. In 10 years ago, maybe I typing code, but now it is with artificial intelligence. It is. I don't see reason that typing, and it is question how many you must type. Typing is very important, like pen, like paper, typing. But I don't know how many, because if you understand in typed, in advanced code, if you understand you your how you practice coding now with the sources, with help my video concretely, and with help artificial intelligence, it is your personal experience. You try to you think about some application and go ahead to solve it and to solve that application. Do you type you or type artificial? I I I don't know, because all my life I must type. I have to type code with copy files. The copy code is very hard process, because I never used a lot of because you must also must have concentration to control it, that all copy and original. But uh, because I'm not developers every day, and I only develop application what we need for my business, and it means I was a hobby, but maybe hobby developer. I never uh, work many times in same code, many times in same code, and I have never routine in programming. I always must learn. After some time, again learn, and again code slowly, step by step. Now, it will be also like it. If I go from React in some other topics, I forgot all, and I must repeat. Because of that, I'll write books, because in my books is I always repeat it and find what I need. But video is very unpractical for me for reference. And there is a lot of advances in front of a book, but also there is a disadvantage. And that reference, that fast finding index contents, fast finding pages where it is what I want, it is in books excellent. Because video, some video there is a reference, but when you can and there is all subtitle. But my video, my production is not possible create that because I'm not strictly. I for example, I repeat a lot of time in a lot of places some topic, and I have not graduate topic by topic in video. In my video, there is more interesting and new. New. Например, for example, coalesce. How you can find it in my video, where it is? Because this video maybe would be, title of this video would be Multer Midleware. Multer Midleware. And when you need coalesce, but there is a solution. You ask artificial intelligence. It's important that you know that there is some SQL function what help, only that function help that unchanged uploaded file in update form will stay like it. If we not change it, if we not updated the file, stay file from before. And when you said it to artificial intelligence give you that code, and all that is make difference in learning. Understand. If you understand, you can always ask artificial. And if you understand and practice, without practice, forget. If you understand, we can remember it 1-2 days. If you don't understand, we remember it 1 second. But after 2 days, if you understand, after 2 days you forget. Without practice, we must stay in times. Because I like that my video is because of maybe my talking, maybe I miss, maybe I need more words, but I like that my explanation is slowly, is repeating and repeating and repeating in many places, because you in your learning process, you must stay in matter, not hurry ahead. Must stay, must practice, must experiment. And it is a knowledge. How long? Until you understand, for example, now e-commerce, understand React Redux is in tank 1. It is in one crude application. Post can have practical usage in, for example, at one post. It is with one table or mock server. And now I work e-commerce, and because I all understand and learn about CRUD, here in e-commerce, CRUD, for every table, there is a CRUD only repeating and repeating. And understanding is in one CRUD, and prompt artificial intelligence is prompt step-by-step creating of e-commerce. This e-commerce, what I work, separate application for admin and separate for public, all coded artificial intelligence. But I understand what I understand and ask for news, and that work, that learning process is something very, very excellent thanks to artificial, and can like I was without artificial 1,000 years ago. Forget all what I lived before. It is very, very interesting. But if I thinking, okay, what about if I have not access to artificial intelligence? That moment you see what you have in artificial intelligence. Today I read that Google reclaim his new artificial intelligence is Gemini. Bard, from Bard changed his name in Gemini. All that artificial offer coding. Okay, it's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.